Alright, guys, welcome back to the book content session of the course. Now, after you must have created all your accounts and you've linked both together, so you are set to go. Now, the app we'll be using for the book contents and the book formatting is Google Docs. Google Docs. Now, you head straight to your Play Store and search for Google Docs. Now this is Google Docs. This is how it is on both Play Store and App Store. Now, please, this is the app we are going to be using. Now, I have installed mine. So if you don't have it, just click on the install button and you can install it. Now, let's head straight to it. Now, you click on this plus button here. You click on this plus button here. Now, on this first video, now it should show you the first and the first page here. Now, on this particular video, I'll segment the book content video into segments, so you can always check for part one, part two till the end. Now, on this first segment, I will tell you the functions of all the icons on this, so that you'll be easy to navigate through them when writing. Now, the first one here. Now, let's start from the right hand side. Now, these three dots here, these three dots here these three dots here, this place. Now, can you see it now? When you click on it, now you will see some options there. Now, what you will just do here is that you toggle on this print layout. You toggle it on. Go back. Now, when you toggle it on, now the reason why you are toggling print layout on, okay, the reason why you are toggling it on is that as you are writing, your books would be in form of as if you are already reading it, okay, so that you will be able to checkmate your book, if it is aligning well what you're supposed to do. Any error that is there, now you will click on it. You will toggle the print layout on. Now, the next thing here is page setup. Now, when you click on this page setup, now move to orientation. Now, on this under this orientation, leave it in portrait. Leave it on portrait. Now, go back. Now, your paper size, put it to statement. Okay, then go back, and on the page color, definitely it is going to be white. So that's all for this part here. You are done. So can you see it now? So, and the next one is this like message button. You don't need it. Now, move to the plus button here. Now, on this plus button, you have some couple of options here. The first one is link. Okay, now I'll still tell you what the link it is what the link is used for. The next one here is image. That's if you want to add image to your book. Okay, now, either you can choose from photos, from camera, or from web. So the main options you'll be using mostly is from photos. Is to choose from photos, because any photo, any any photo you want to add to your book, it has to be downloaded first to your book. Now, the next one, it is table. Now, it's not table of content. Oh, it's not table of content. Let's say you want to add a table, like a timetable. Let me some like a timetable, like you want to compare two things together using a table. Now, that's what it's for. This horizontal line is for maybe you want to add any form of line to your book to show something. Now, the next one is the page break. It is very, very important. It's very, very important. And the reason why page break is very important is that, now, when you want to upload your book, you upload your Kindle ebook in the form of PDF. Now, after we are done with this book using this app, now our book will be saved to doc or word format. Now, after it is in word format, you have to convert it to PDF before you upload. Okay, so that's why page break is very important. And the reason why it is important is that, so that when you convert from word to PDF, your book will not scatter. So using page break, it will make your book well formatted after conversion to what? PDF. So we'll still be looking at that. Now the next one here is what? Page number. Now if you want to number your page, like page 1, page 2, so that's what it is used for. So we'll be using that option to insert section. Okay, now and the next thing here is this a button here, now, and I'll be telling you what it is used for. Now this a button here, when we click it now, it is to edit anything concerning your text. Edit anything concerning your text, be the title, the subtitle, the chapters, your main content, everything. Okay, now let us type something like, now let me just copy any content from here. I'm coming. All right, guys, so I copied this from a prompt now. So I'll be using this text here now, to what? Explain all of the icons and what they are what used for. So now, where did we stop? I think we stopped at, no, have we gotten here? I think we stopped at, okay. Now I think explained page number. All right. The next thing here. Now this this arrow, these two arrows here, this and this, these two arrows here. Okay. Now, and the first one is for undo. Why the second one is for what? Redo. Now I would explain that. Now undo. Now let's say during the process of us writing, now, from one's own garden. Let's say by mistake I now deleted it. Okay, I can press undo. Okay, I can press undo and what? It will what? Show back. Okay, I can press undo and what? It will what? Show back. And what? I can also press redo to what? Delete back. Okay, do you guess what they are used for now? I can also press undo back to make it what? Come back. Do you get me? So those are the useless of the undo and the redo. Now, and the next one is the ones under. Now, let's click on it. Now, this B here is to bold. Now, let's say this is our topic. And you want to bold it. Just press B. It will bolding it. Okay, it will bolding it. Now, and the next one here, coming. Now, this A here, this A on top here, this A here on top, this A here on top. Let me highlight it. This A here on top. Now this is, now it is for what? It is for anything editing of your what? Text. So anything editing of your what? Text. Okay. Now when you click on the A, now these are the text. Now B, you can see B here is what? Bolding. I think I've explained that. Is to what? Bolding it. Is to bolding it. This I is what? Italicize. This I here is to what? Italicize. Let's check. Let me now, anything you want to do. Let's say you want to italicize all the what? Content here. Now you just click on this A and click on I. Have you seen it as italicize it? If you want to bold it, you press B. Okay, to what? Bolding it for you. Now this U here is what? Underline. Okay, it's what? Underline. Have you seen that it has underlined it? While this fourth one here is what? Strike through. Okay, it's what? Strike through, meaning to what? Cancel everything. Okay, can you see it? To cancel everything. So in case you what? Need you in case you need elements like that, so you will know where to find it. Now this x square and this xb now is for, I think, more of mathematical, so you don't really need that. Now let us move to the style. Okay, I think the remaining is not that much again. Let's move to the style. Now the first one is normal text. Now all your content, now when you start from chapter 1, you will write things on chapter 1. Now everything you write on chapter 1, chapter 2, everything, it will be the style should be normal text. Okay, have you seen that the current style is normal text? Now look at this topic here. Our topic here is what? Fruit gardening for what? Beginners. Fruit gardening for what? Beginners. Okay, and what that and what this is the topic we'll be working on for this whole book content course. Okay, now now after you highlight it, click on this A, then click on title. Have you seen that? Have you seen it? It has made it bigger. Okay, it has made it bigger. And let's say you have another maybe food garden for beginner. Let's say your subtitle is step by. Now you can see that it is what writing for us with the font of the what of the title. Okay, now click on this A again, go to start and click on subtitle. Have you seen it? It will what make it more smaller, but what it will still be bigger than the what main content. Let's say our subtitle is step by coming. Let's do that again. Title, subtitle. So you have it. Let's say it is what step by step. Let's say our subtitle is maybe ultimate step by step to growing a fruit garden. Let's say that's our sub topic. Okay, now can you see that the word fonts are now we've not started formatting yet. I'm just telling you the what usefulness of the icons. Okay, we've not started anything yet. Not started anything yet, so it is still rough. I'm just using this video to what explain to you the what usefulness of these icons one by one. Okay, now and the next thing here, let's click on this A back. Now, so under this style, what we need is the normal text, title and subtitle. Now for this title, everything that will be under it will be your topics, your what chapters, your introduction and your what conclusion. Your what chapters, introduction and what conclusions. Okay, why this subtitle will be any topic. What will be under the subtitle would be any topic. Let's say any let's say you want to discuss on soil. Now you see soil, that's the main topic, right? Soil, that's the main what topic. It will be under what title. Okay, are you getting me? Now under subtitle, maybe you will have what types of soil, uses of soil. Do you get me now? All those ones will be under what subtitle. Now but for this normal text, we we will have something like maybe under types of soil we have loamy soil, explain loamy soil. So all those main content, it will be under what normal text. Okay, let me explain again. Soil is the main topic. All those types of soil, uses of soil, they are under what subtitle. Okay, why the main content are maybe what is soil, soil is so. Okay, so those are what you need under what style. Now it's just explanation. We are not formatting yet. Now under font, now I'll be telling you the font you'll be using when we start. Now the size also, the size of the font, I'll be telling you each size of the font you'll be using for your text. Now under text color, it will surely be black for your normal text. For the main title, you can use red, and for the subtitle you can use what blue or anyhow. Now and the next thing is the paragraph. Now this paragraph, this first one that is showing this blue icon, it means what your text should be what aligned to the left hand side. Now let me use this one as an example. Let's say this is your text. Copy it, click on this A, go to paragraph. Now have you seen everything is on the left hand side. Now what's another option here? To what align it in the middle. That's the next one. Have you seen it has aligned it in the where? Middle. Okay, in the middle. Can you see all these are still looking very rough? So So we have not started formatting at all. We've not started formatting. I'm just telling you the what usefulness of the icons. Now the what next one is to align it to the what right hand side. Have you seen it? That align it to the right hand. Why the last one is called what justify. If you want to justify, that means everything will be on the same line. They won't pass. Have you seen it? Everything here is on the same line. Everything is also on the same line. So anywhere you were justify in writing the book or anything, this is what it means. Now let me let me explain that again, that paragraph. Now this first one is to align everything to the left. This one is to centralize everything. This one is to align it to the side, and this last one is what justify. And and all your normal text should be on what justification. It should be what justified. I mean, sorry, it should what justified. Okay. Now the next one under it, is for shifting. Is for shifting. Okay, can you see it? That is for what? Shifting. Okay, it's for what? Shifting. Let's say you want to write a side text. Don't worry, I would explain that everything that you. That's what these ones are used for. The ones after the four icons up here. Now, why the next one is called numbering? This one to number your what? Your 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 write up. Now, let's say you start writing from. Let's say I'm now start writing from here now. I'll go to paragraph, start to number. I'll what? Click on numbering, number one. Okay, number one. Let's say let's play types. Let me zoom it. Types of soil. Like I said, all these are still for what explanation of the icons. We've not started formatting yet. Now go to paragraph inside. Now this is numbering. No, this is not where we want the number to start. Now click on enter. Now where you want your numbering to start, that's where this thing that is blinking should be. Now I use the number one. Let's say our number one soil is loamy soil. Now the moment you press enter, it must give you number two. Okay, because you have what choose you have what inserted the what numbering elements. Let's say sandy soil. And the third one, I think is clay soil. Now that is it for that's for numbering. Now, while the next one here is what's called a bullet. It's called a bullet. The one beside this numbering is called what? Bullet. Have you seen it? It has changed everything to what? Bullet instead of what? Numbering. Now we can also insert the bullet on its own. Okay, let's say our icon is here and you want to insert a bullet. Have you seen it? So when you type anything, when you press enter, it will create another what bullet. So like that, it will create another what bullet. Let's say you type something again, it will create another bullet. Can you see that? So I think that's all for the paragraph. Now, and the last one here is line spacing. Okay, and your line spacing should be in 1.5. Now, what's line spacing? Now, you can see these things I typed here. They are too jam packed. Okay, now let me change the line spacing to 1.5, and your line spacing should also be in 1.5, not 1.15. Should be 1.5. Now you see that when I press enter now, have you seen that the space has and the space is now more visible, okay, than this first, sorry, than this first three, okay, than that first three, okay. Can you see that the space is now more? So I think that will be all for the explanation of the icons. We will see in the next video. Thank you.